everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Today we're doing a special curated edition. We're not quite sure how the weather is gonna treat us, so we might, have a lot of snow. So depending, we're gonna show you this instead. So why don't we jump into it? We showed off our new mailer last week and all of our new classes. It's going to come out this Thursday, the 1st, so you'll be able to sign up for classes then. So give us a call or come on into the store and check everything out yourself. But right now we're going to go through all of our new classes and show you the samples that we have from them. Michaela is here to join us as well and kind of talk about all of these cute new classes that we have here. So why don't we start on this side? We've kind of got all of our Christmassy stuff here. So this cute table runner and placemat is going to be a part of one of our new classes, which is our sewing machine club that we're doing. So it doesn't matter kind of what sewing machine you have. If you want to do the project, you can come in. I believe this particular one, though, you do need to have a Baby Locker Brother machine. It's got some special embroidery on there, but most of our other classes that go along with that one, which are these ones right here, we've got cute little pouch. We've got the little handbag made with the faux leather and this really cute applique style piece here. So yeah, it doesn't, most of the time won't matter which sewing machine brand you have. If you want to do the project, you're more than welcome to sign up for that one. It's kind of like some of our other Bernina Club, Brother Club, but whatever machine you have. So we also have this cute little embroidered snowflake pillow here that is from the Embroidery Adventures class. So it's going to be the first one that we have for that one. And then if we take a look here, we have this adorable garland on the tree here. That is going to be Feathers Club. We've got some other cute projects for Feathers Club as well, including this little book here to carry all your notions, needles, and such. So we've got that one. Also up here on the tree, we've got Gift of the Month. And that one is a really cute ornament. It uses a special technique to create that look. We also have this mini sleigh here. This is one of the Auntie's 2 patterns. We've got the already pre-cut craft text for you too, so it's going to be super easy to put that one together, and it's just creates just an adorable little basket. You could do like candies or something in it. That'd be pretty fun. Along with kind of some of our new classes, we also still have our basics, so beginning quilting, next steps, to sort of start you off. We also have our beginning techniques, so we also have here our beginning blanket stitch class. This is one of the options that you can do for that one. There are other ones, but I mean, the Santa's so cute. Had to show him off. And one of my favorite things, my favorite classes that's coming up is going to be this Canada Goose. Grace is teaching this one. It's an adorable little goose plushie, and he is adorable.
Yes.
And I believe there are going to be some kits for this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, some kits for that one, but you could also choose, if you want him to be a different color, you could also do that. We have a lot of very exciting bags coming up this next quarter. So we've got the, remind me what this one is called.
That one is the...
Well, here, let's start with this one. This is the Connie backpack. I'm also very excited about this one. Not only does it have the cute little backpack straps, you also have the little handles there too, and it's such a cute size. I think it's not too big, it's not too small, so this is going to be great for, I think, a lot of people. So this class we're very much looking forward to.
And this one is called the Time Warp Tote. It's really fun because it's got a little pop of color in there, so you can put kind of a fun fabric in there or have it match the inside.
Yeah, I really like that one too because it looks like it's a pretty easy tote, but then you throw in that little extra pleat in there and it's just adorable. Right next to the bag there, we have the cutting edge sheer scarves class that's going to be taught by Teresa. So that one kind of uses a really fun technique if you want to do something different. Going back down here to the bags, this one here is the Sew Together bag. This one is a, I believe this one is a, let's see, by Annie pattern, I believe. And this one's really cool because you can zip it, or once you open it up, it's got all of this space in here, 3 zipper pockets, the space is in between, even has a cute little cushion in there for maybe, you know, whatever you need to clip in there. So that's going to be a really fun class as well. Along with that one, we've got this little bag here. This one we're also very excited about. It's a really sturdy sort of tote. This is the Catch-All Caddy. And it really has a nice weight to it. I think it'd be perfect for all of your sewing gear. Have your little rotary cutters in there, maybe some scissors along with maybe a project that you're working on. One of our reoccurring classes that we're doing is the English paper piecing. So we've got beginning English paper piecing, and we also have an advanced English paper piecing here as well. We've got kind of a fun, sort of different class. We've never kind of done something like this before. These are the fabric flowers here. So Grace put these together. These are going to be a really fun, different project to do. And then right here below, we've got the vase and vessel. Yes, the vase and vessel little container that we've got here too, out of fabric. And if you take both classes, they pair very nicely together. We've done a lot of the Aunties 2 bags. We usually do the city bags, but this time around we also have the kaleidoscope bag, which we've gotten a lot of interest in. So we are very excited to have a class for this one as well. It's got a wonderful shape to it. So we're really looking forward to having that be a class as well. And then right up front here, we have the Florence garment here. It could be a shirt or a dress, depending on how you want to wear it. But for anybody looking to kind of get more into garment sewing, this is going to be a great option for you. And then we will show you these right over here. This is going to be a really fun class to do. I believe it's all machine embroidery. And it's called Spring Sprouts.
So it's all machine applique. And Noreen's done a couple of different samples here. This one's in batik, but then she also started some in like 30s or Civil War reproduction. So you can really use any type of fabric in this project, and it'll turn out beautiful.
It really does look good in all sorts of different types of fabrics.
And then over here we also have some of our other gift of the months. So we've got our little bag, which is for January for February. We've got our March table runner, very festive. And then we also have this wall hanging as well. So very springy, use lots of different techniques like hand embroidery, and then also a Dresden plate on there.
That one is definitely adorable as well.
Yes.
And then one more thing to show you on this side. This is going to be our bag of the month for December. It is a pretty easy throw together kind of bag. It's based off of like a Japanese bento bag. So it's got that sort of traditional sort of V shape to it, but we've added a handle to make it a little bit more practical for everyday use. And as always, we will have kits for these all month. And yeah, so definitely stop by and check this out as well. And then we will go over here and show off some of the new machine embroideries that we have.
Yes, so these are from Be Unique Embroidery Designs, and we're actually going to be doing a trunk show on these on December 9th. Carol, the designer, will be coming with a bunch of her samples and projects, so definitely stop in so then you can see all of her new designs. And then we'll also be having some other demos during that week. So December 5th, come and join Wendell and we'll be making machine embroidery toilet paper. So that'll be very fun. Tuesday, December 6th, Rebecca will be doing wool. If you have any questions about wool applique, wool embroidery stitches, she'll be here and showing off all of our fun wool. And then Wednesday, December 7th, Nancy's going to be showing some of our notions, which would be the tube turner. That's really fun when you're making bags or other things. It makes it a lot easier to turn things. And then the next one will be on Thursday, December 8th, and Claudia will be doing English paper piecing. So if you haven't done that before, if you have questions, or if you just want to come see all the fun projects, come and join her for that. And then Saturday, December 10th, Claudia will be doing a Notions demo on all of our new Notions and gifts and all the fun new things that have come in. So
it's going to be very exciting. It's going to be a really fun week for us. So definitely stop by and keep an eye out for your mailer in the mail so that you can look through, because we've got some other little events and things in here for you to take a look at. But yeah, if you stop in, you can see all of these lovely projects in person and see which ones you maybe want to sign up for.
And they'll be up December 1st, and we'll also start taking classes on December 1st, and it'll also be on our website. So if you'd like to sign up, make sure to come in during the 1st or afterwards, and we'll get you all signed up.
Absolutely. Okay, well, I think that's it for us today. So thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you in this next week for our open house.